Hello everyone, welcome to your maths lesson today. So quick task, counting tens up to 100. Pause the video and counting tens to 100. Okay, now you've done that quick task, we're going to have a look at counting in fives. So here's a counting pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This pattern goes up in fives. From each number we add 5 to get to the next number. Can you count in fives to get to 60? Okay, so we've been looking at arrays this week. This is an array that has 5 apples in each column. So remember, the columns go down and there are 4 columns making 4 lots of 5. As a repeated addition, this is written as 5 add 5 add 5 add 5. Or 4 lots of 5 is the same as 4 times 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so you've got 4 columns, that's 4 times 5, which is how many rows you've got. 4 times 5 is 20. So over here on this side of the screen, this is a set of number facts that are from the 5 times table. So 1 lot of 5 is 5, that's the same as 1 times 5 is 5. 2 lots of 5 is 10, that's the same as 2 times 5 is 10. 3 lots of 5 is 15, that is the same as 3 times 5 is 15. 4 lots of 5 is 20, that is the same as 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so this is a number track that shows the 5 times table. Some numbers are missing, so we've got 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 55, 60. Can you work out which numbers are missing? How did you work out the missing numbers? Okay, so how many 5p coins make 35 pence? So through repeated addition, this is 5 add 5 add 5, add 5 add 5 add 5 add 5, which is 35 pence. Or you could do this through multiplication. 7 times 5 equals 35. So 7 times 5 pence equals 35 pence. Top tip. Remember that every number in the 5 times table always ends in 0 or 5. If it ends in any other number, then you've not got the right answer. Okay, so here's your challenge today. So 2 challenges, and they'll be quite easy for you to do, promise. So activity 1, draw an array for each multiplication fact in the 5 times table. I'm quite happy for you to select a few and draw an array for those. You don't have to do all 12. So what do you notice about the arrays that you've drawn? How are they the same? How are they different? And then practice counting up and down in fives from 0 to 60. And then activity 2, now have a look at these 4 different representations of 5. Think about how you would show each one as an array, a repeated addition, and a multiplication. Okay, so if you look at this one here, if you drew that as an array, you would have 2 columns with 5 in each column. Okay, because there's 5 fingers and 2 hands. If it was a repeated addition, it would be 5 add 5. And if it was a multiplication, it would be 2 times 5. So there's 1 done for you. You've only got 3 left to do. Okay? Send me a photo of your work. I will double the dojos today. So if you do both tasks, this is worth 10 dojos. Have a lovely day. See you later.